Hello, first graders. Miss Jen is back with our math lesson, and we'll be talking about compose solid figures. Okay, so it just means we'll be putting the figures together to make another shape. Yeah, let's see. So we'll have to circle the combinations that have the same shape. Okay, number one, take a look. So each shape has more than one shape that are put together to make another shape. So this one has one rectangular prism, one cube, one rectangular prism, and one cube. Again, rectangular prism and a cube, and this one as well. They are all using the same shapes, but they have different shape when they're put together. This one, and this one, they all have the same shape. They have L shape, L, L, yeah? So, but Miss Jen, but this one is different from these two. Yeah, it looks like it from the picture, right? But if you put it on, if you look at it from the other side, it does look the same. Yeah. So since we are talking about the three-dimensional shapes, we have to think about looking at these shapes from different sides, different angle. Okay. So these three have the same shape. Number two, okay, two rectangular prisms, they made a bigger. So, no, actually, this is a cube. Yeah. When they combine two rectangular prisms together, it becomes a cube. This one looks like a cube too. This one definitely has different shape. This is a cube as well. So we're going to circle this one, and this one. They look the same. Okay, number 3 and 4. Let's circle each kind of figure used in the picture. Take a look at this figure over here. What are the shapes? What shapes are being used in the picture here? Right, we have cylinder and a cone. Go ahead and circle these two. And number 4, we have two rectangular prism and a cylinder. So let's go ahead and circle this one and this one. And moving on to the second page, we are going to circle the picture of the stacked figures. Circle the picture of the stacked figures. So we have these two figures over here, and if we stack these two together, what does it look like? Yeah, of course, this one, because we have a cube and a cone. We do not have rectangular prism here. We do not have a cylinder over here. So go ahead and circle this one. And number 2, here we have one rectangular prism and one cube. If we stack these two together, what is it going to look like? This one, or this one? Yes, the middle one, yeah? We have a cube and a rectangular prism. Okay, now let's put an X on the object that does not belong. And then name the set. All right, so let's take a look at all these objects over here. One thing most of the objects have in common is, I think, sphere. Yeah. So baseball, sphere. Beach ball, sphere. Tomato, sphere. But the paint container, it's not a sphere, it's a cylinder. Yeah. So let's put an X mark over here, and we need to name the set. How should we name the set? Yeah, spheres or balls. Yeah. So you are going to write spheres or balls. Okay. Number 4. We have a cube, another cube, another cube, and a rectangular prism. So yes, we should put an X mark over here. And how are we going to name the set? Ding, ding, ding. Cubes. Yes. Or square boxes, but let's go with cubes. Time to review. Okay, wow, it has been a long time since we talked about fraction. Do you guys remember what they were? Okay. So fraction, we need this line in the middle, right? To talk about fraction. So at the bottom we put what? The number of the entire thing, the whole number. And on top we put the partial number. Okay, so let's take a look. You need to circle the fraction that names the blue part of the set. Ooh, so we have, how many birds are there? 4. Yes, 4 birds. How many bluebirds do you see? 1, 2, 3, right? So we need to put the whole number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom, and the group that you're looking for, the number of the group that you're looking for on top. So 3 bluebirds out of 4 birds. So we need to circle the bottom one, 3/4. Yeah. Okay, number 6, we need to find the fraction that names the blue part of the set. So how many numbers are in this set? 2 fish. And how many blue fish? 1 blue fish. So the whole number for the entire set, we need to put it at the bottom, 2 fish. And only 1 blue fish we see in the set. So we need to put 1 on top. So it's half. Half, right? We talked about these fractions long ago, quite some time ago. So I hope this reminded you of the fraction. So we say half, right? And 3/4, 3/4. Okay. Okay, first grade. So that will be all for math today. Miss Jin will be back with another lesson tomorrow. And have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.